Hello and welcome to Advanced Navigation's unboxing video series. At Advanced Navigation, we're dedicated to pioneering high-accuracy navigation and robotics technology for the most demanding applications. Across defense, mining, marine, and aerospace, our solutions power critical operations, from autonomous platforms and precise mapping to robust positioning in extreme environments. Evaluation kits, or EKs, are designed to empower engineers like you to understand what comes in each EK, facilitate rapid setup and accelerate your test programs, enabling you to get your solutions into the field faster and with greater confidence. And with our dedicated support engineers, who are also application experts, we're committed to creating a seamless experience for you every step of the way. Welcome to our unboxing of the Boreas D50 Evaluation Kit. This video is designed to give our technical customers a comprehensive look at what's included, allowing you to quickly get started with your unit. The Boreas 50 series is a compact, rugged inertial navigation system with a north-seeking gyro compass that maintains reliable navigation in harsh, GNSS-denied environments. The D50 comes in two variants. The D50 X20P variant includes two all-band GNSS receivers, while the D50 MX5 electronic protection variant includes two multi-band GNSS receivers with additional functionality to make the D50 resilient to jamming and spoofing attacks. All components in the kit are housed in a rugged transport case. Let's get the unboxing. First, the Boreas D50 unit itself. Starting with connectivity, we have the FTDI cable. This is your essential 1 meter adapter cable supporting both RS-232 and RS-422 communication for seamless USB connectivity. We have the Breakout cable. This 2 meter cable provides all your essential primary, auxiliary, and power connections specific to the Boreas 50 series connector. Specifically, the connectors are Ethernet, hardware reset, 1 PPS, CAN, GPIO, auxiliary, primary, and power. This is your 24-volt DC power supply, which comes with interchangeable plugs for universal power compatibility. The MX5 variant includes two triple-band anti-jamming antennas. These are high-performance multi-constellation antennas designed for challenging, signal-denied environments. The X20P variant includes two GNSS antennas. These are full-band GNSS antennas, which also support L-band corrections. To install them, we include two antenna pole mount brackets, made from durable, powder-coated steel. Also contained within are antenna ground planes. For antenna connections, the kit includes two 4 meter SMA to TNC antenna cables for robust signal transmission. At Advanced Navigation, we offer comprehensive customer support. Our dedicated engineering support and application experts are readily available to assist you. We pride ourselves on fast response times and hands-on assistance throughout your entire process. Your successful integration is our priority. Don't hesitate to reach out with questions. That concludes our unboxing and overview of the evaluation kit. We hope this has provided a clear understanding of the components you'll receive to kickstart your integration and development. For more detailed specifications, documentation, or support, please visit our website or contact our sales team. Thank you for watching.